Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your UniFi network settings using exports detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your UniFi network controller interface. Ensure you have administrative access to perform backup operations. Navigate to the settings sidebar on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the settings option to expand the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the maintenance section. Select backup from the maintenance options. Once in the backup section, locate the export button. Click the export button to initiate the backup process. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the backup format. Select the desired format, usually JSON or another available option. Confirm your selection to proceed with the export. The system will begin generating the backup file. Wait for the export process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once complete, the backup file will be downloaded automatically to your computer. Check your browser's download location for the new backup file. To organize your backups, consider renaming the file to include the date. Always ensure you store backups in a secure location for future reference. After backing up, you can review the file to verify the settings included. This ensures you have a complete snapshot of your current UniFi configurations. If needed, you can repeat this process periodically to keep your backups up to date. Remember, regularly backing up your network settings can save you from potential data loss in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.